TD Bank is offering some of the most competitive mortgage rates in the current market, making it an attractive option for homebuyers and those looking to refinance. Their mortgage products include fixed rate, variable rate, and adjustable rate options, providing flexibility depending on your financial goals and comfort with interest rate fluctuations. Currently, TD Bank's fixed-rate mortgages start as low as 5.14% for a 5-year term, which provides the stability of consistent monthly payments over the term period. These rates are highly competitive compared to other major lenders, and they include options for both conventional and high-ratio mortgages. High-ratio mortgages, which require less than a 20% down payment, may also involve mortgage insurance but allow buyers to enter the market with lower upfront costs. Variable rate mortgages at TD Bank are tied to the prime rate, currently at 6.7%, allowing borrowers to potentially save money if interest rates decrease. Variable rates typically start around 4.79%. Giving an opportunity for lower initial payments while still providing flexibility to convert to a fixed-rate term in the future if market conditions change. TD Bank also offers prepayment options that allow customers to pay down their principal faster without penalties, which can save thousands of dollars in interest over the life of the mortgage. Porting your mortgage is another key feature, allowing you to transfer your existing rate and terms to a new property if you move, protecting you from potential rate increases. Applying for a mortgage with TD Bank is straightforward, with an online application option or in-branch support from mortgage specialists who can guide you through rates, terms, and required documentation. With competitive rates, flexible terms, and strong customer support, TD Bank remains a strong contender for anyone seeking a mortgage, whether purchasing a new home or refinancing an existing property.